I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be making you guys this cute lotus flower that I got from Amazon. And now I'm just going to flip this out inside out so we can try to add some little details to this bad boy. It's very nice, shiny. Just looking around, making sure everything's out right. And here's a couple mecha powders I plan on using. I did get these from Temu. And they look kind of good, guys. We're going to try these bad boys out. Because they're beautiful. And do you see the size of these bottles? That's good. That's amazing. So here I'm just going to go ahead and grab our little brush so we can go ahead and try these mecha powders out. Here I got a little makeup brush from my daughter because I didn't have any of them laying around. They didn't come with any, so I decided I was going to try this one. It looks like it might have like a blue tint to it. And then this one I picked because it looked like it might have like a pink to it. So I decided I would try to use that one. So we're going to see how these look. So I did start without being on camera. I'm still learning how to keep my camera recording. So here's all I'm doing is taking that makeup brush and I'm just going to go ahead and brush some of that on here. And I love the way it makes this little fairy dust in the camera when I'm using it. But that's all we're going to do. We're just going to go around this mold, add some of this mecha powder to it. And I believe this one was the blue that I got from Temu. And those were great sizes of bottles for mecha powders. And I do have a link for Temu, and I can link that down in below for if you would like to check that out. But yeah, we're just going to go ahead, go around this mold, add some mecha powder into it, just to add a little details. I really just wanted to try something out and see what would happen. And you know how it is. When you get something new, you are just so anxious to try it out. And especially when you've been looking for it and looking at it for a while. So there, I just sped up a little bit because here's the pink color that I wanted to show you guys. I mean, I got off camera. I need to work on that a little better. I'm sorry, guys, but here we go. I'm getting a little better in there so you could see. You see little fairy dust. She's a fairy. She's a fairy. No, I'm playing, guys. But yeah, isn't that pretty? I love it. I love this color. It's very pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and go around this mold and add this in there. It kind of took a long time, so I'm going to just cut that out a little bit. And we're back. I decided I wanted to use white because I was going for like a pearl effect, I guess you could say. And this white pigment powder was perfect because it's guaranteed going to give it to me pure white, what I was going for. And that's why I'm just going to decide to use that. And then I'm just making sure it gets mixed up really well because it is very like thick. You don't need a lot at all. I got it to do the blooming flowers. Here's 91% alcohol. Spray your mold. Spray them really good. Here I'm just making sure I get the alcohol down in all the crevices because I want to avoid the air, bubbles when I pour this kind of deep pour. Definitely want to try to avoid the bubbles in this lid. Here we go. I just used basic white. It's going to pour that in. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. It's rainy here in Pennsylvania, so what better than to work on some resin projects? It's perfect for my days off. So I was just pinching it, try and make sure no bubbles, and then we're just gonna fill it up. And I gotta go back, fill that one up a little more. That wasn't completely full. I wanted to make sure no bubbles came up. I hope you checked out my other videos and I tried to do a little better. But here we go, 24 hours later, and we're ready to demold. We're going to see if these pigments work the way I wanted it. I'm going for a pearl effect, so that's why I chose white. I know black would have probably did a little better, but we're going to find out. And when I got this mold, it was said it was good for like candles or incense. That's why there's holes in it. So I thought that was cool. And you could see the blue. It was kind of hard to see inside, but I could see it a little. And then here, we're going to get this one off. Gotta be careful. Resin does have sharp edges, so if you just take your time, you can avoid a little bit of little cuts. I experienced the little cuts from resin. Let's slowly get this out of here. Take your time. You don't want to rip your molds. I can see a little bit of the blue on the sides. And I gotta be slow because I really didn't want to rip this mold. I just got it and I have nails on and yeah, struggles. So here we go, guys. I can see some of the pink and the blue. Here it is. I mean, this mold itself is beautiful, but do you see it turned out the way I was kind of looking for? I mean, that's beautiful, guys. What do you think? I love this mold and I am so happy of the way it turned out. It is so beautiful. Yeah, I'm going to link this in my description to my Amazon affiliate, and I'm going to go outside and show you guys how this looked. I didn't turn my camera correctly, but look at this outside. You can really see the different colors and the details, and I'm going to open it up, let you see it's very glossy finish. It's absolutely beautiful. I love this. I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful day.